The monsoon brings along with it much needed relief from the heat, but also along with it, we see an increased rate of infections, especially among children. Hi, I'm Dr. Gayatri from Department of Pediatrics, KMC Attawar Hospital. I'm a pediatrician and pediatric intensivist. Today, we will be discussing about monsoon and a few tips on how to keep yourself and your child safe from this season. So the commonly asked questions about monsoon season is that why the increased illnesses are seen in this season. So during monsoon, there is an increased amount of water, moisture and humidity which forms the ideal environment for the multiplication of bacteria, viruses and mosquito breeding. Therefore, it is very common to see that these infections affect children especially. So the common infections which we see are viral fevers, we see dengue, typhoid, malaria, we see stomach infections, we see seasonal flus, and along with that, we also see other viral diseases. Another frequently asked question by parents is how can I protect my child during this monsoon? During this monsoon time, it is very important that you make sure that your child drinks safe and healthy water, preferably boiled or purified water. Make sure that your child frequently washes their hands with water and soap. Offer them freshly prepared homemade meals. Avoid eating outside, especially if the food is undercovered, if the food is undercooked, or if you feel that there are chances of water contamination, as this is the season which carries a high risk of having food and waterborne illnesses. Another important thing which parents always ask us is about the mosquito-borne illnesses. So the mosquito-borne illnesses can be prevented by making sure that your child is protected from these mosquitoes. What you can commonly do is that you can make sure that the play areas wherever your children play is not close to or adjacent to any stagnant water bodies which can be a site of mosquito breeding. Along with that, ensure that your child wears full sleeved clothing whenever possible. The children can also be using child safe mosquito repellent lotions, and make sure that the children's environment like their homes, their school and their playground are mosquito breeding free. Another important question which parent always ask us is how to improve the immunity of my child. There is no one single food that can prevent any infections in a child. Therefore, it is very important to supplement the immunity of the child by giving a balanced diet. The balanced diet is a diet which includes all seasonal fruits and vegetables, whole grains, pulses, cereals, milk, and non-veg for non-veg consumers, and plenty of water. Equally important is adequate sleep, rest. Equally important is again the child's physical activity, and it is very important that you stay up to date on your immunization. Do not ignore any warning signs, especially continuous fever, breathlessness, if the child is having persistent vomiting, reduced during output, if there is any lethargy in the child or refused feeding. So ensure that you seek medical advice immediately. This is Dr. Gayatri Ranganathan from Department of Pediatrics, KMC Hospital, Attawar, wishing you and your family a very safe, happy and healthy monsoon season. Thank you.